Nothing company, famous for its sleek and innovative tech products, has made waves with the announcement that its mobile phones are entering the Chinese mainland market. This exciting news was confirmed on the company's official Xiaohongshu account, sparking excitement among tech enthusiasts. In this video, we'll cover all the details we know so far about the Nothing Phone 3, the strategic delay, and what it means for the future. Reports indicate that the release of the Nothing Phone 3 has been postponed to 2025. Carl Pei, the founder and CEO of Nothing, announced this news on his social media account, formerly known as Twitter.
And what's really exciting about what's to come is that we're entering this post-app world, right? In the future, there will be no more apps. The operating system knows everything it needs to know about you, and it will call on all the services and string them together to make your day easier. All right, so those are some of our initial explorations, and expect to see some of these features starting to come out with the Phone 3 next year.
This break from the typical annual update cycle for high-end mobile phones has intrigued industry observers. Pei's announcement has elicited a range of reactions, with some applauding the focus on innovation and others worried about the delay's effect on market momentum. Pei explained that the delay is due to the company's commitment to redefining the user interface and integrating AI at the system level. Unlike other brands that rush AI features to market, Nothing aims to create a highly customized and dynamic user experience. Pei describes this approach as the post-application era, suggesting a future where user interaction is seamless and intuitive. By taking more time to develop these features, Nothing aims to deliver a smoother and more innovative user experience. Speculation from GSM Arena hints that the delay might be related to the post-sales performance of the Nothing Phone 2. Conversely, the mid-range Nothing Phone 2 has seen greater success. By delaying the release of Phone 3, Nothing might be avoiding the risk of another underperforming high-end model. This strategic decision allows the company to learn from past mistakes and focus on delivering a more refined product. Nothing's emphasis on user experience and AI integration highlights the growing importance of software and system-level innovations. By prioritizing a seamless user interface, Nothing aims to distinguish itself from competitors who focus on hardware specs. This shift in focus could herald a new era of mobile phone design, where user interaction and experience are paramount. The delay might pose risks, such as losing market momentum, but it also offers Nothing an opportunity to refine its product and deliver a groundbreaking user experience. If successful, this strategy could set a new standard for smartphone innovation and user engagement. The potential benefits include stronger brand loyalty, increased market share, and a reputation for pioneering user-centric design. In summary, Nothing's entry into the Chinese market with its mobile phones is a significant milestone for the company. By launching the Nothing Phone 2 and strategically delaying the Nothing Phone 3, the company is positioning itself as a forward-thinking player in the tech industry. Focusing on AI integration and user experience, Nothing aims to redefine the mobile phone landscape and set new standards for innovation. So what are your thoughts about these latest developments? Do you support Nothing's decision? Let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.